I wanted to show y'all what YouTube merch look like, man. Now your boy Yon World went ahead and updated my YouTube merch. And you know what I'm saying? I feel like a lot of YouTubers, they never show them wearing their merch. They might set up the merch shelf, but they never go ahead and invest in it and show their audience, man, what it's looking like. So, you know, your boy Yon World had to update my merch and everything. So I got, you know, the most premium quality material y'all could get on the shirts, if y'all can see that, right? This how my one of my shirts look. Original. This is one of my signature shirts. And let me flip it around. You can see, man, original right here. But then it's the world on the back of every shirt I make, man, for Yon World. So it's another one of my designs right here. This is the hoodie. I got the Yon World original hoodie, right? And y'all can see that. Get a focus on that. Autofocus. Yeah, autofocus. My bad. I had it on manual focus. But y'all see how the quality on that look. Then on the back of the hoodie, we got a world. And this hoodie is size medium, right? The shirt I'm wearing, right here, it's a size medium as well. You know what I'm saying? I'm about 5'9". I'm like 5'9". Probably a little taller when I got on shoes. So this is my other shirt, Yon World signature shirt. I got on the original Yon World, and it's the Yon World the other way. It's coming blue, black, white. But yeah, that's how the back of that one look. I like this one a lot though. I like the material too. It's a good premium cotton, you know. It's a tri-blend, so it's kind of, it got like a fitted stretch feel. You know what I'm saying? Like it feel real premium. I feel like it's gonna last. And this is like pressed on, so pressed on, heat pressed on. It's the brand shirt they're using. Medium. And then we got the 420 World. 420 World, same size, medium. This is my second channel. I made a shirt, you know, for my second channel audience. But yeah, we got that in black. These like crew member shirts. These like member shirts. So we're gonna have them all in black, and you can get it in white also. So these come in black and white. This come in this blue, black, and white. And the hoodies come in black or white. So yeah, that's how we come in all 2020. Y'all see Yon World, the brand. That's how YouTube merch look. You know, if y'all never bought YouTube merch, very quality material, you know, and I only choose the best material, you know, for my clothes. Y'all see how it fit. You can see how it fit on me. Like, it's a real, like, clean shirt. I ain't even have to iron this shirt. I ain't even have to iron this shit. I just took it out the pack, put it on. Look like I ironed it. You know what I'm talking about? But yeah, it's a real clean shirt, man. So I just wanted to put y'all hip to the YouTube merch, man. It's your boy, original. You know, we dropping more videos too. We dropping more videos. You know what I'm saying? It's just showing y'all what the YouTube merch look like. I feel like a lot of times YouTube content creators, they create the merch shelf. You know, YouTube allow you to do that after, I think, 10,000 subscribers. But you can see it under every video I post. If y'all wanna buy any of this merch, it'll be under every video I post. You will see a merch shelf, like right under the description box and all that area. You will see these shirts that I'm wearing, and you can purchase them. They automatically ship to you. They automatically fulfill. It's fulfilled through Teespring. It's like a print-on-demand service. You know what I'm saying? If you got a YouTube channel, that's the best way to promote it automatically to get sales. But even if you don't have a YouTube channel and you wanted to start a t-shirt business, I think Teespring is the best way to go because it's a print-on-demand service, meaning all you gotta do is create the designs, or if you already have the images or the logos of your company, you can upload them directly onto the shirt, you know, place them. You pick out the text, you know, the font. Like this font is on a lot of designer, you know, brands. Like this font is called Franchise. Just made my own design with the world on the back, and you know what I'm saying, the text up front. I like shirts with the text up front. It's just clean, you know, it fit good. But yeah, Teespring is the way to go. Print on demand service. You create your designs. After you create your designs, you just upload them. Just upload them and there you go. You know what I'm saying? You just promote it from there. You know what I'm saying? You obviously gotta promote. You gotta let people know you made a store. Let people know you got clothes out there. You promote it, but you're gonna have a website which they can go to, PayPal, credit card, everything is legit. You know, everything is fulfilled by Teespring, so I fuck with that shit. I fuck with that shit a lot. But yeah, it's your boy Yon World. Just showing y'all, cause I'm gonna premiere this video, so it's gonna be looking like a live. But just showing y'all, for anybody that's late in the live stream, how my clothes look one more time. We got the black Yon World original hoodie. Got the pocket down here. Premium hoodie material, man. This junk premium. This junk feel, you know, like some damn there. What's that shit called? Start with a P. It's like some plush shit. It feel like plush. But yeah. Then we got this real soft touch cotton material, man. Like it's real good material, man. It's almost like wrinkle free. When you throw it on, you can just kind of shake the wrinkles out of this motherfucker. But we got that. Oh yeah, and on the back of all of them, we got the world. On the back of all of them, that's something to take note of. It's printed on there. So it's printed on there. On the back of the hoodies, we got the world too. But yeah, then we got the 420 world. 420 world with the world on the back. 420 world is my second channel where I do a lot of strand reviews. We going up. Make sure y'all subscribe. So yeah, it's your boy Yon World. Y'all see the merch. Thanks everybody for supporting. If y'all want to purchase the merch, links will be in the description, and you can find all of the merch directly under any one of my videos. So it's your boy Yon World. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for watching my channel. I'm out. Peace.